At OGD, we believe a garage door is more than a door. It's security, convenience, and peace of mind. A garage door is one of the largest moving systems in your home and one of the easiest to take for granted until it doesn't work. At OGD, we're built around one idea. When something protects what matters, the work behind it has to be done the right way. That's why we train with intention, hands-on, on real equipment, so our technicians understand the details that make a door feel smooth, sound quiet, and operate safely. Because inside every garage door system is precision, power, and safety that demands experience. From the training floor to the road, we're prepared, with the people, the tools, and the parts to respond when you need us. And when we arrive, we treat your home like it's our own, showing up with professionalism, respect, and clear communication. Whether it's a broken spring, a door that's off track, an opener that won't respond, or a system that's simply worn with time, we focus on the fix that lasts. And when it's time for something new, we'll help you choose a door that fits your space, inside and out, then install it with care and craftsmanship. Before we leave, we test every movement, confirm every detail, and make sure everything looks as good as it performs. Backed by trained technicians, licensed and insured work, and the confidence of warranted service, we treat every home like it matters. OGD Overhead Garage Door is veteran-owned and family-operated, BBB accredited, and here when you need us, open 24/7 with same-day and emergency service. OGD Garage Door Service, built on training, trust, and reliability. Schedule your service today